these are gonna be the colors for today. I have 3 Amsterdam colors, and they are bronze, Venetian rose, and sky blue light. I really like these paints, this brand of paints. And this one is Liquitex Basics Gold, and this is Golden Alizarin Crimson Hue. And then we have from the floor Artist Love Flow Acrylic White and Black. Okay, I could hear you guys asking for the dark blue instead of the black. Okay, I'm putting the Prussian blue instead of the black, okay? Amsterdam Prussian blue. Is that better? Okay. Now at the top of the screen I'm putting the video where I use this pouring medium. Now it is perfect. Okay, so let's show you. Let's go to the shadow so you can see better. So it does build the mountain, but let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's already disappearing to the liquid. I'm gonna do the other. Okay, so let's do it again for you. Okay, so I'm alternating transparent and opaque colors. So this is opaque. This one was, I think, semi-transparent, opaque. And this one, I think it was semi-transparent. Let's check. Oh, it's transparent. So opaque, transparent. This one is transparent. So let's put it like this. Semi-transparent. No, this one is transparent. Transparent, so we need to put an opaque color. Transparent. Oh, we'll have to put white someplace. So we put the white. Let's see. So white gold. Let's put alizarin. I was gonna put that dark next to the alizarin, but we can put white, and then this one. So opaque, transparent, opaque, like this. So that's gonna be the order. 3 colors and the white. That's gonna be the order. So opaque, semi-transparent, opaque, transparent, white, which is opaque, transparent, opaque, and semi-transparent. That's the order. So let's see. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's put this in here because I don't want to lose that area in there. Wow, that's white coming. Just because I had that other white in there. if that was good or not. We'll know. Probably not. I'm not good at this. Need a good practice on messing your piece. Well, I'm not messing it up. Not messing it up. Let's see, we still have white in there. Let's play a little bit more. Who knows? Okay, let's use our hands to block it. Here, our hands again. Okay, let's see. Try not to disturb this one. Wow, how pretty. How pretty. It's too tempting. It was too tempting because the color were so pretty. Oh goshy. Let's torch it before we continue losing it. Come on, come on, come on, don't lose it, don't lose it. Oh my goodness, this one is prettier than the other one. Wow. Let's see. Want to lose all that from there. We have one more corner to go. Have to come from here. Because it is too pretty to lose. Wow. This one is so pretty. Even though I created all those lines, I like them. I really like them. Do you? Well, we have been losing so much painting here. Sometimes in this type of painting, you lose things. I think I'm gonna torch in here. What do you think? Cannot tell me, but I'm gonna torch there because there's dots, dots, dots. Come on, dots. Get out of there. want to leave that without anything. Some things came from there. That's pretty. I think I'm gonna move it a tiny bit just to help those dots become bigger, bigger, bigger. And now I'm being silly because I'm happy with my painting. Silly, silly. Doesn't have to be too much movement. So look how pretty these pieces are. They cracked. That one cracked in there and this one. See how it cracked? But I love it. I love the color that came from underneath. And I was not going to resin because I like that it has texture and it looks handmade and it's very pretty. And the colors turn out so pretty. I hope you like it.